In today's video, I will walk you through how to convert currency on Wise. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along. And let's get started. First, from the Wise home screen, find the currency you currently have the money in. For example, if you have US dollars and want to convert them into euros, select your US dollar balance. Once you've selected the currency, look for the Convert or Move option and select it. Wise will then take you to the currency conversion screen. Now, enter the amount you want to convert. You can enter the amount in your current currency, and Wise will show you how much you'll receive in the currency you're converting to. Next, select the currency you want to receive. Choose the currency from the available options. As you enter the amount, Wise will display the current exchange rate, the conversion fee, and the amount you'll receive after the conversion. If everything looks correct, select Confirm or the confirmation button shown on your screen. Your conversion will then be processed. When you're converting money between currencies that you already hold in your Wise account, the conversion is normally instant. After the conversion is complete, you can return to your Wise home screen and check the balance of the new currency. Keep in mind that personal accounts can convert currencies up to 15 times every 24 hours, which is more than enough for most freelancers and travelers. That's how simple it is to manage your money globally with Wise. If this quick guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech, finance, and creator tips. See you next time.